This video is for you if you are considering having your mark protected so that whatever it is that you create is safe to share with the world. I have just read a case study that has taken place in Denmark. It was a lawsuit between two candy manufacturing companies, and the first company was upset because the second company has created a chocolate covered caramel lolly that looks exactly like the first company's. And also with regard to the packaging and things like that, the two products are very, very similar indeed. However, when it came to the court case, the first company lost, and they took it to a different court and tried again and again lost. So fact of the matter is, you may sit there thinking, oh, but I can so easily do this myself. I know my thing and la 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 la. However, when it comes to intellectual property and the protection, you need a professional that you can have that conversation with, so that you know that whatever it is that you're wanting to protect needs not just one aspect, but the whole thing covered. And you also need to sort of look into the future and know what it is that you are wanting to achieve down the line. And it can be really, really difficult when you're just on your own. So do reach out, because I am here to help you with these kinds of conversations. You can book a discovery call first, and then we'll have a conversation to see how I can be of service to you. And the discovery call is free of charge. And if either of us feel that, you know, it's not a fit, there is no charge, and we go our separate ways. So I look forward to being of service to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to whatever channel you find it on. Thank you again. Have a fantastic day.